So I took a visit to the paint shop to have a look at the Red 124's progress today, and I'm quite pleased, to say the least. It's turned out a lot better than I expected. It really is a mirror finish on these surfaces. Note that it is currently covered in dust, and there is the odd bit of insect shit as well, because it is currently outside, and in Western Australia it only takes a matter of seconds before insects will shit on everything left outside. And even inside the doorways has been painted, and the doors up to the rubber seal area has been painted as well. And the surface of the rear end there that had rust, that's completely gone. This car is going to look absolutely awesome once it's assembled. These are just the little trim bits sitting in there for the time being. Needless to say, I can't wait to start assembling this car. It isn't finished yet, believe it or not. There's still more work to do. Kind of regretful that I didn't strip the engine bay and have that painted as well, but at the end of the day it's a lot of work which I was too lazy to do, and when you've got the engine in there you can hardly see most of that metal work anyway, so I should be able to live with myself. This is the hood. This has got dust and insect matter on it, and it is going to get flow coated as well, so it's not even at the stage where it will be when I collect the car, hopefully next week. And there's still a few bits to do. Again, these are thickly coated with dust, especially the sunroof lid here, as you can actually see it in this video.